Hi guys! So for today's video ay samahan nyo na naman ako bilang Aphrodite again and again. So ngayon ay hindi na ako magsusolo kasi kasama ko ng mga kaklase ko at kami ay mag-perform ng dramatic speech choir. So as you can see guys, ay nagpa-practice kami. Pagkatapos ng event ko na solo bilang Aphrodite, ngayon naman ay may kasama na ako guys bilang Aphrodite kasi dramatic speech choir at hindi yun pwede sa solo, 'di ba? So nandito yung mga kaklase ko at nagpa-practice kami pagkatapos ng performance ko at gabi na to guys at ngayon lang ako naka-practice with them kaya nagbabasa pa ako ng paper dyan kasi hindi ko pa memorize yung line ko bilang Aphrodite sa dramatic speech choir na to. Kaya nagbabasa pa ako dyan. So, ayan sila. Naka-practice na sila nung nag-present ako ng solo ko. Kaya medyo okay na sila dyan. Kaya ako ay hindi pa okay dyan. So, ayun na nga. Ngayon lang kami naka-practice kasi ewan ko ba sa basta ngayon lang kami naka-practice niyan. One day or hours lang ata yung practice namin. So, ayun na nga. Practice pa lang yan ha, pero grabe na talaga yung mga classmates ko guys. Hataw na hataw, like emotion kong emotion, action kong action, 'di ba? At yan nga si Eros guys, ang anak ko. At ito na nga, nandito na tayo sa araw ng dramatic speech choir. So, nagre-ready na kami dyan. At ito lang pa rin yung gown ko. At ayun si Eros, yung anak ko guys. Ewan ko ba, at yung mga naka-uniform ay mga classmates ko pa rin. At sila ang naka-assign sa pag-assist sa amin. At paggawa ng mga props at pagbili ng mga props. So, yan si Mayi guys, siya ang nag-makeup ko today kasi gusto niya lang at siya yung nag-assist sa akin. Like, I'm very thankful talaga kasi nakakapagod din kasi yung ikaw pa yung mag-memorize ng monologue mo, yung lines mo, at ikaw pa yung mag-makeup, mag-ready ng mga anik-anik sa katawan. Kaya I'm so thankful na tinulungan niya ako dito guys. Like nag-volunteer talaga siya. Like thank you Maye. Sure. So ayan na guys, pupunta na kami sa venue na umuna na sila kasi kami ni Maye ay hindi pa tapos sa hair ko. So ayan, kinner lang yung hair ko ng konti kasi mermaid nga, 'di ba? So curl yung mga mermaid na yan. Bakit? Iwan ko bakit. So, yun na guys, let's forward to the venue. At nandito na tayo sa venue at si Eros ay gusto lumipad, char. So, ngayon ay tignan na natin ang performance namin.
Our last presenter, the Josh Star. Together, with the literary figure, Aphrodite.
Aphrodite is a Greek goddess of love, beauty, and the sun. She is often portrayed as a powerful and captivating figure who influences both gods and humans through her charm and allure. Her stories explore themes of love, passion, and the complexities of relationships.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome the Josh Star.
with love. They call her Aphrodite. She loves even Aphrodite had lessons to learn. In her mind, she played the golden apple and made a promise that started to war. And so, from her greatest mistake, the world learned. Beauty without virtue is hollow. Love without wisdom brings ruin. Look at this mirror. True love does not destroy. True love does not deceive. True love teaches. Do not love for glory. Do not love for pride. Love to make the world better. We are the future teachers, bearers of the torch, not the torch of war, but of compassion, and knowledge, and love. When we love, you should only not learn love the story, love the child, love the lesson. That is the power of Aphrodite. Love is not the last thing we have.
And now, while waiting for the announcement of winners, nagkumain muna kami ng mani from Sir Ian. So, ayan lang yung ginawa namin while waiting for the awarding. And now, let's forward to announcement!
For our champion for the speech choir competition, who do you think is the winner? Once again, our champion for the speech choir competition is no other than the Trash Talk.
At ayun na nga, na-champion pa yung one-day practice namin. Like, it's not expected talaga. Like, thank you so much, Lord. Like, we are so very, very happy and thankful that we got the champion. So, congratulations to us!
Nakikita nga yun. Lupan siya.